Today I'll be teaching you how to determine the sex of one of the great American staples. I'm talking about Mama's favorite, just a roast chicken. What you want to do is you just want to have the chicken lay right down in front of you like this. Oh, someone's in bed. It's roast chicken. I'm not scared to wake it up because I'm no chicken. You keep a jar or a bowl right by. I like to use this one, but you don't have this one, so what you want to do is you want to find the bottom hole of the chicken. You're going to want to spread those drumsticks. Now you're just going to slide a couple fingers up in there. Okay. Ooh, baby. We got a potato. That means Mama Hen. Here we go again.